Here it's Heather. I'm going to show you how to get that engagements number for LinkedIn. And I apologize if it gets a little loud in here at home. But here is the June social media report. And we're looking for LinkedIn posts. So let's see if we can find in LinkedIn this June 2nd post. And the numbers won't tie exactly, and the reason for that is LinkedIn only lets you capture a point in time on exactly that day. So if you went in here and looked on June 30th for these totals, you would get this. But what happens when we go and look at it now is any view or click that was received after June 30th on a post that was posted in June is going to be added into these numbers. So it won't tie exactly, but I bet we can get close. So let's see. Let's try to tie this out. We'll go to LinkedIn. And I'm going to head to Blue Tip Power Technologies. And then I'm going to go to Analytics. And I'm going to go to Updates. Updates is where the data for the posts is. If you were trying to get visitors, you would go to Visitors. If you're trying to get followers, you would go to Followers. But in this case, we're looking for engagement on our posts, which is in the Updates section. So I go to Updates. I'm going to change where I want to be is in this Update Engagement thing here. And the way you get impressions is just right out of this column here, which is impressions. The place you get engagements is a combination of clicks here plus social actions here. You add those two numbers up, and in this case that's 5, 2 plus 3. You divide 5 by 143, and that gets your engagement rate. So that's how you calculate it. Impressions is straight impressions. Engagements is clicks plus social actions. And the engagement rate is clicks plus social actions as a sum divided by impressions. So let's see if we can find that June 2nd post and see if we can get close on those numbers. So I got to go up here to the date range. It doesn't let me do a custom, so I'm going to do last 6 months. See if I can find that June 2nd post about driver behavior, I think it was. No, about trucks, yeah. How do you know which trucks to retire? Okay, so how do you know which trucks to retire? Okay, and that's this June 2nd post on Blue Tip Power Technologies capture better operational data for trucks. Same one. All right, how do you know which trucks to retire? Here we go. So my impressions is 1,723, and again, it's not going to tie exactly, but it'll be pretty close. So here we go. That's the impressions there. And then we have clicks and social actions together. That's 22 plus 9 is 31. And here we had 24. And the engagement rate is just 24 divided by 1106 or 2.17. Which in the case of here, it's 1.8, so pretty close. But that's how you calculate it. And the reason, again, for the difference is that LinkedIn doesn't stop as of June 30th. These impressions, some of them occurred in July, August, September, etc. So it's not going to tie exactly. But that's how you do it. Call me if you've got any questions. Thanks. Bye.